Prudence Margaret Leith, CBE, is a British South African restaurateur, chef, caterer, television presenter, broadcaster, businesswoman, journalist, cookery writer and novelist. She is Chancellor of Queen Margaret University, Edinburgh. She was a judge on BBC Two's Great British Menu for 11 years before joining the Great British Bake Off in March 2017, replacing Mary Berry when the series moved to Channel 4. Leith was born in Cape Town, South Africa. Her father, Sam Leith, worked for African Explosives, a subsidiary of ICI producing dynamite for use in mines, and ultimately served as a director. Her mother, Margaret Peggy Inglis, was an actress of her time. From the age of 5 until she was 17, Leith attended St. Mary's School, Waverley, an English independent private boarding school for girls in Johannesburg, run by Anglican nuns. She left with a first-class matriculation and studied at the University of Cape Town, where she failed to follow for any length of time courses in drama, fine art, architecture or French. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.